Hello and welcome to the Tropical News. Today we'll be joining Tommie in the Amazon rainforest. Over to you, Tommie.
Hello, I'm in the middle of the Amazon where it's raining buckets and degrees of freezing. Oh, look over there, rare birds that I've never seen before. Some creatures don't have names because there are so many. The rainforest is so huge, at least a million plants non-discovered too. Look at these plants here, beautiful. Now back to the exotic birds. Look at its rare colours. Brilliant birds. Look over there, a rare jaguar. Beautiful creatures. There are lots of them in this rainforest. Oh no, I think it's seen us. Run!
This is Tommie wishing he was somewhere else right now. Sorry about that error. We'll try to get back to Tommie after the Amazon weather forecast. Today the weather is stormy but with a degree of over 28. Please be careful if you go on a walk because it is slippery with risks of floods. Now before we go back to Tommie, we want your pictures of you in the rainforest. Send them in and we will show them at the end. Back to you, Tommie.
I shouldn't have jumped in that bush. Anyway, back to the tour. Here we are. Here's the equator, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. It is hotter in the equator because the sun rays focus more. Even though it's raining here, it's still very hot. A liana vine that goes all the way to the top of the tree to get sunlight. It can't at the bottom. You can swing on them because they're very strong, and which is very fun. Whee! Gasp! Trees that have been cut down, and if this doesn't stop, we could destroy habitats for bugs and animals, and they could come extinct. Our world could crumble because most of the world's oxygen comes from trees. Some products are called sustainable products and replant trees once they've used them, like velvet. But some just burn them. Here I'm cutting trees down now. Michael Jackson wrote a song called the Earth Song. This which showed us what the world would be like if we don't stop cutting trees for poaching and pollution. We also have Earth Day, a day where you sponsor them to plant more forests. These things will help to show people what is happening to the world and show how we can stop before it's too late. This is Tommie reporting from the Amazon rainforest. Back to you, Jess.
Now time for those photos you sent in for us. First up is David Gusty, age 40. Very nice. Now time for Jessie Bay, 20. Beautiful. Now Katie Clarkson, age 31. Lovely. Now my favourite, Ed Collins, 79. Thank you for watching and we'll see you for the 10 o'clock news. Good night.
Dun, 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 dun. Tropical!
It's crying earth as we make sure.
Go. Sunny's over there, by the way. Hello, Sunny.
Gosh, look, a tree that has been cut down, and if this doesn't stop, I've got an idea. Okay, back to the tour. Be careful.
Hello.
Hello, I'm in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. Hello, I'm in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. Electric shock. Look over here. I said that wrong. Gosh.
Sorry about the error. We'll try to get back to Tommie after the Amazon weather forecast. Hello. Thank you for watching.
Crumble.